Puzzle is a game, actually a puzzle game, where you have to sort out like birds into single colors, and where it's very you know brain solving, and it gives your brain subtle things. Oh no, wrong move. Still I can figure it out. If I can do this. Yeah, I hope so. This wrong move, totally wrong move it was, but still I'm figuring out where I would be able to this. You know what? One wrong move and your game is completely ruined. So you have to sort it out according to their colors. And it will just give your memory, and it requires your memory very strong. It's very relaxing game, to be honest. For me, I just enjoy it thoroughly. Looks easy to me, this one.